Hi, I'm Grady with MAXCases. Today I'm going to show you the installation of our newest case, the Edge Protect Plus. So this happens to be for the Lenovo 100E Chromebook. So we'll start here. We'll start with the top piece. The top piece has several clips, actually 3 at the top, 2 on either side and 2 at the bottom. The easiest way to install this is to go ahead and put it over the top here and simply slide the case down. The clips are going to be behind on either side of the screen all the way to the bottom. One thing you want to pay close attention to is once we close that, there are 2 clips at the bottom here on the hinge area. You're going to want to press 1, press 2, make sure that's firmly installed. To install the bottom frame guard, what we're going to do is turn the device over as such, and then we'll prepare the frame guard for installation here. Turn this over, we're going to remove the protection of the adhesive here on the bottom, and we're going to get all of this removed. So we're going to do it for a quick and easy installation. So there's 4 sides, so we're going to remove the 4 strips. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, we're all set. We're going to go ahead and line these up. The key thing here is that the holes you see are for the accessibility screw holes on the bottom of the device. We're going to start on one side, the left side here, line up those holes. Make sure I got it right on the numbers there. Press down for 1, press down for 2, and press down for 3 on the left side. What's going to happen, that makes it very easy as we go across the device. We're going to line up the other holes appropriately. Full installation, both top and bottom, on the new Edge Protect Plus.